PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Wayne, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. Our commercial HVAC company installs and repairs all major brands of heating and cooling systems. Call our commercial HVAC company today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is the ideal HVAC system for a business building? The heating and cooling element of a variable refrigerant volume or variable refrigerant flow system is a refrigerant. Having a single condenser that can be used for several evaporators, this is the finest system for usage in medium or large commercial buildings. How does a commercial multi-zone HVAC system work? Zoning systems control temperature in each zone via motorized dampers and programmable thermostats. To control heating and cooling, each zone will have its own thermostat and damper system. What is your service area for the Wayne, Pennsylvania service office? Our local commercial HVAC have served Wayne, St. David's, Villanova, Gulf Mills, South Wayne Historic District, Villanova, Stratford, Radnor, King of Prussia, Ethan, Rosemont, Devon, Bryn Mawr, Radnor Township, Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. Where is your Wayne, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC service office located? We are located at 650 West Lancaster Avenue No. A, Wayne, Pennsylvania 19087. Our phone number is 610-424-6274. Visit our website www.pjmachvac.com/Lancaster-Wayne-HVAC-service.